nose is completely exposed. You know. If you're a medic somebody from the other team, that person is now on your team. So remember where your spawns are, require the other team. Acquisition, let's go. Start on the whistle. That's why I left. No shit. I have no idea. I would say yeah, that was, I had to leave, but it was like after everything was over. Because, no, it was fucking Jacob. But I want to say, he doesn't know how to use those fucking walkers. No, I was saying, I left the Discord because I couldn't hear anything, and then Jacob's like, I'm done.
Wait, Nick, give me one of the earbuds.
That doesn't work like that.
Next time.
You guys aren't close enough, they're not going to work.
Huh?
You guys aren't close enough, they're not going to work. No, I don't think you know what you're doing, Jake.
Our spawn is Charlie, but this is our starting point.
Then no, I don't know what I'm doing.
So what's the medic rule? Do we have medics, or is everyone a medic?
One minute, clear out.
Anybody from any team can res you, and if green team reses you, you're still green.
So we have specific medics.
Yes.
Who's our medics?
Ours is 2-2.
Yeah, and then you?
No, it's somebody else. They walked that way already.
Oh.
I'm pretty sure our two medics are staying together.
Hey, we need one of the medics over here.
Him, he's a medic. You're a medic, right?
Medic. All right.
We must all go this way.
Again? I'm about to pop Jacob in the back of his head.
Hold those
Nick?
stairs right there.
Nick. What's our move here? Who's in White House? Oh. Yeah, Jacob really fucked up everything for this. Yo, what's up? Alright, bet. Yeah, let's get out of up here. Not a big fan right now.
I'll take it. Keep playing. No, dude, it's fine. We have medics.
Fuck.
I'll take it. Keep playing.
We need a medic! That way. Medic's on the way. Oh yeah, we have the comm system for that. Dude, I don't know. I'm geeked we have the comm system for when we get swapped, team swapped.
Yeah. Dude, I don't know where to go. I don't know where anyone's spawns are. Yeah, it's so hard. I'm by cemetery. Might as well fuck some shit up over there. Castle? Alright, bet. Jacob, castle. Someone's in there. Hey. Medic! Yeah. Medic! Medic! I'm also dead, Nick. Medic! I'm about to get med back by the other team. Medic! Great player down here, just need a medic! You like that one? Medic! Medic! Jake 2 is behind Jake 1. Medic! Jake. No, I'm dead. I want to get revived by another team. Fuck. That man! I really wanted to get revived by a different team. But Jacob fucked me so hard. And I'm about to clap this dude behind me. You guys dead here? I'm on blue team still, but I'm in their spawn. But I'm in my spawn! I just respawned. I'm in spawn, dead. Charlie. I'm in Charlie, dead. 60 seconds. Alright, I'm dead. I got killed respawning, so I also just am here. Also, I was respawning as I was shot, so it's like, I guess I'm hit? I don't know. No. No, you're good. It's a bit confusing. What team are you on? I'm in blue and I'm respawning now because I was killed in spawn. But I'm fixing my pads real quick. I'm still on blue team in blue spawn. But I'm fixing my pads. But Marky's telling them to stop coming in our spawn, so we're good. Fuck, I'm not a medic. And Jake 2's dead in front of me. I can't revive you since I'm not a medic, but this is... You know, Nick, what team are you on? Yeah. I just got TK'd. Fucking hell. That man. This makes no sense. People are in our spawn.
Dragon, come on.
Oh, hell yeah.
Sorry to drag you the whole way.
No, you're good. I wanted switch. I bet. Fuck. Got me in my leg. That man. I don't want to take a knee. Taking a knee. Dude, I'm so fucking lost. I'm dead. Are you what? Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Didn't mean to pull on it. I'm already dead. Well, why'd you shoot me? I was dead. Why'd you shoot me? I was dead. That's. What team are you on? Yeah, I'm dead.
Dragon, this way.
I bet.
Dragon, no ban. Go ahead, we're here. We're here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Just say
7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, Dragon. All these guys are great.
All right, Nick, I'm on your team now. I'm on your team. This is so fucking confusing. I wish Jacob didn't fuck us. I'm coming. Hold on. Holy shit! I just had a grenade thrown at me. Are you dead, Nick? I'm by the stairs. Go, go. Hey, we got some runs on the fucking bus side. Bus side. Fuck. I don't know where they went. They went towards Chernobyl. I don't see him. Fuck. I'm coming back to mid. That's spawn. Yeah, that's spawn. So where's no man spawn at? What doorway? Are you? I can't. I got no clue what color these fuckers are on. He's in that door. But I think he's no ban. I can't really. What happened? I'm here. That's their spawn. Fuck. I see you. I'm coming upstairs. Behind you.
Oh! Wait! No! No, we're blue! Hey! That was friendly fire!
No, it's Nick's no ban now. Bro. I could have just killed all of them, but David fucked everything up. You guys dead? I'm no man. Oh, that person's dead. Fuck. Whew. Person better call that. Hit that man. Medic! Medic! Medic!
Come on, boss.
Sweet.
Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're good, bro.
Some goddamn time! Hit! She can pull me. Medic! No.
Dude, that dude's been hit 15 times.
That's what I meant. I meant pull me over there.
I know, I just need to get out of the way. Medic!
Jacob should be dead. I'm dead.
You're not down there, are you?
And it's only because we couldn't hear because of Jake. Well, oh, so yeah, dude. Our spawn, Charlie, or at the beginning, Green was fucking in Charlie. I get killed in our spawn, and I'm like, this is our spawn, what? So I just take the hit, because I'm like, fuck it. And then I was like, Marky, this is our spawn, dude. I had no clue what the fuck was going on. Yeah, I saw that. And David goes, that's friendly fire. And I'm like, no, they're different bands. And I should have shot everyone, but I didn't because David's like, nah. Holy.
That felt like a ball fight.
You do know people were changing teams. You do know people were changing teams? Because
Is there any green left?
Did I get you at the beginning? How'd I get you? I'm like over fucking.
Alright, you guys are right with. Nice job to the blue survivors. Great game, everybody. Alright, back to
oh,
you.
dude, you got your Nick, your sight got shot out. Yeah, dude.
That wasn't broken.
Watch out, Jake, too.
I'm not gonna lie, that was a really fun game.
It would have been way funner if we could hear.
Yeah.
Yeah. You left your mic on and he was just echoing, so we couldn't understand a word he said. I left the Discord.